set it, and count down, and I'll start moving.
Oh no, it stopped.
Did we get far enough? It's pretty fast. We can go again if we need to.
Yeah, I shouldn't be moving in slow motion.
Yeah.
I should just move at normal speed.
See, you were really big chick said you're like, I got the big
Yeah. I don't need to slow down. Don't slow down for me.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
That's right. Yep.
That work better?
Yeah, that's better.
Nice.
That's
cool.
Oh no, that's awesome. There you go.
Thank you very much.
So you can text it and email it. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Well, I imagine that you would have that application, yeah. So they've got two things going on. The aerospace part of it.
Yeah.
They can actually fix it. Deliver payloads that whatever. But they also are using the same technology to figure out the
Just to set it up, so you can have these anywhere.
Well, because it's so compact, you're not using the normal. You're not using the normal boosters and fuel that you use and stuff. It's so compact that like this is a small field. That guy, Jack is actually the CEO. He can give you like a snapshot. He'll walk up and
We'll have a quick chat. Yeah.
oh yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hey, good.
We've got a lot of mine shafts over there, so I was thinking, it'll pretty much make us redundant and you just drill this thing.
Yeah. Where do you need it driven?
Well, look in get into tech innovation.
Oh, cool.
But yeah, big space there. It's really cool.
Yeah.
So you don't feel shame you can get the oxygen to launch.
Yeah, I got my one of my directors like active launch.
I would have been
Every
great.
hour, like
T-shirts?
like
T-shirts would work.
or like not.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can bet.
I was doing marshmallows. Like a marshmallow sabo and then fried
You have to crowd
Shooting customers.
I was down for it.
and put the shirts in. Like,
Yeah. We did talk about having a robot arm here that was shooting. Chuck built that. He built the system. Just used that as a robot. About 4.5 years.
Wow,
So yeah, this is kind of the culmination of a lot of work. Just some people.
Yeah, it's the CTO.
He's pretty much on the hypersonic side, yeah. I don't think